Splash and Dash in Coppell. We opened our doors 16 or 17 years ago under the name Cutie Pie Pets, and then transitioned into a franchise model. So we're a grooming salon, and what we offer is a safe place for pets where we are concerned about their safety and happiness above their aesthetic beauty. However, we happen to give great haircuts as well. So we're the first owners of our store, and then we collaborated with a colleague out in Florida to build the national franchise. With the franchise, all the locations are modeled after this location. So I was raised by two entrepreneurs, two small business owners, and I just kind of always assumed I would work for myself. When I was in my 20s, I was working as an executive assistant, and he really gave me the confidence to branch out and open up my own business. I have two crazy French bulldogs, Vivian and Violet, and they are my little troublemakers who I adore. I think a lot of dog owners, they need support. They need expert advice that maybe isn't quite as expensive as the vet. And so having a place like Splash and Dash where they can bring their baby to get cleaned up and hear, we're kind of the first eyes on these dogs to let them know when they need to see a vet. We just like to provide that level of support to the owners so that they can be the best pet parent they can be. We're always going to recommend what's best for them, even if sometimes that's not our facility. I love most that we get to work with dogs all day, and as much as that's important, and sometimes we have upset customers, at the end of the day it's just dogs, it's just dog hair, and it's just a fun atmosphere to be a part of.